Hello, we are Team 21. Our project is Smart Operations with Entity Data. The team consists of Kazma Hochin as team leader and client liaison, Wen Taowei as chief researcher and assistant leader, and Mihail Nescu as technical lead and chief editor. The goal of our project is to create an application that supports on-site workers from the industrial sector, such as construction site and maintenance work. In order to do this, we will be using the Vuzix M100 smart glasses. The solution we have reached involves providing a complete package for assistance in which we have implemented navigation for the next task, target markers scanning and reading, manual display in image or video format, and application operation through vocal command in order to allow hands-free operation. Here you can see our project's key requirements, which have been determined as a result of research and client meetings, all of the following being marked as a must in our Moscow analysis. We engage to display PDFs and videos, read QR code markers, dismiss displayed information, inform the user whether a marker is valid or not, obtain his current location, and then guide him to his required destination through arrows displayed on screen. These are our key functional requirements. For the non-functional requirements, we aim to achieve ease of use, a minimal level of distractions for the user, efficiency in navigation by requiring a reduced number of commands, and implement vocal commands as the main means of operation. The latter one has been chosen in order to ensure that the user remains hands-free and can perform the tasks expected from him.
In order to set up and install the application, you will first need to make sure that you have Android Studio or any other Android IDE platform installed and with the correct Android SDK connected to it. Then, you need to enable the USB debugging on the Vuzix smart glasses, which can be found under Settings, System, Developer Options. Furthermore, since the app uses location, camera and voice recognition, you will need to enable these options as well, following the paths displayed on screen. Finally, connect the device to the USB cable and install the application through Android Studio.
Since when the app is in use on the smart glasses only the user can see and operate it, we have relied on a series of screenshots for all scenarios of our demo.
Once you open the application, you should see the main screen with the word subs. If you have enabled the voice recognition correctly, you should also see a green microphone icon at the top of the screen. This should vibrate or shake every time it detects a voice input. To switch between screens, say move left to go left and move right to go right. The screen ordering from leftmost to right will be navigation, main screen, QR code scanner, manuals.
Here you can see how QR target reading works, with a clearly marked crosshair for the user to fit on the code, and then display the manual. Here we have displayed some examples of the vocal commands picked up by the device and the actions they trigger. The commands are simple and intuitive, easily getting the user accustomed to them.
You can use the commands zoom in and out, scroll up, scroll down, next and previous. For videos, you can use the commands play and stop. To detect manuals, the user should generate QR code which corresponds to the file name stored in the application.
For navigation, we chose to display the distance to the target and the straight direction to it. As you can see in the example, the directional pointer as well as the distance counter adapt themselves in real time to the user's movements. If necessary, the glasses also provide internet browsing for additional information. However, this requires a wireless connection, while the other functions implemented in the app can be used offline. Adding assets is simple. Just go to the apps directory where you can find the assets folder as shown on screen. There you can either copy the desired images directly in Android Studio or go to the folder outside Android Studio and do the same thing. In the end, we managed to implement all the key requirements of our project and merge them together in a working application that will support workers. Providing instructional materials and navigation to objectives helps with on-site efficiency and minimizes both the organizational and technical issues that arise. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed our project.